Guys, no, this is creaking sound. I don't know what it is, and it's over here somewhere. So we're gonna look. Look, we'll be quiet so you can hear it.
You're supposed to introduce them to the channel.
I don't know. It's like over here. It's creaking and stuff. I don't know why. I've got a stick in case anyone comes.
And I'm just the
Guys,
camera
can
guy.
you hear it? It's like just creaking.
Ready? It's up there, you guys.
You hear it? I'm gonna whack this log. See, you hear it, guys.
You guys, by the way, I'll be dropping this merch in the video. It'll be in the link down below if you want some.
It's creeping me out. It might be like a loose tree.
It probably is, you know.
Yeah.
I think it... Oh, I thought you stopped it there for a second. It's that tree. I'm sure it's a fake. Oh God, someone just shouted.
Not your name.
What?
Not your name. Just.
Guys, there's another 360 view.
Yeah, it's creepy. Flipping hell.
There you go, 360 view done. I think we should get out of here.
Do you think there's people?
Possibly.
Should you try to snap that tree down? Because it might just be like a loose tree.
Nah, let's just forget it.
No, just try. Oh.
End of the video, 1 second.
No.
We'll be right back.
No, hold that. I'll say it twice. Guys. Oily and ever!
Oh, crap. Someone's... Right, bye guys. We'll make another video tomorrow.